Hi all, this is Karthik from Design School by WP Algorithm, the place where I teach you how to design, build and customize your WordPress websites. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get into today's video. So whenever you drag in a widget in Elementor interface, it can be your heading, it can be your button, it can be any other widget. They all have predefined style which comes from your Elementor style sheet. There's no real way to customize this or change the global default. So if I want to have a button that's blue by default, or if I want to have a button that will have the primary color of my color scheme, well, there's no way to do that. Of course, I can simply go inside the button and customize it, but doing it every time is time consuming. So there's no way of having presets for each of my widget or each of my Elementor widget. What if I want to have those widgets? So there's a plugin called WunderWp. It's built by the people who built JupiterX theme. It's one of the highest selling themes on Theme Forest. They've come up with this really cool idea where you can have presets for each widget. You can download it from the WordPress repository. You can search for WunderWp with the spelling as shown in the screen here. You can once install and activate it. So for each widget, when you click on it, under the content area, you now have a new option to select presets. So from here, you can select preset for your button. So having a customized button or having a button with a predefined style, it's as easy as clicking these presets. I really love this idea, and they have presets for basically each and everything. So you can have a preset for your heading, you can have a preset for your button. Basically almost all the icons, all the widgets have presets. So you can go right inside and you can see it will load the presets. So just like that, with the click of a button, I have a preset icon. I don't have to go inside the style icon or the style tab and customize all the things that I need. I can simply select the preset, and they have promised that they'll have user defined presets, meaning you can save all your styles, all your widgets as your own presets. It's also available on Product Hunt. It's a really cool idea, and this is the right step forward in Elementor Presets. Now that people really want global defaults for each and every widget, not just for the typography options, not just for the colors, they want global presets for each widget. So they want to choose the default appearance of the widgets. So it's really cool and it's really easy if we have something like this. And WunderWp, they have promised that there'll be more and more presets added on a weekly basis, and for pro customers they'll be having even more presets. This is a really cool idea. I just wanted to share this with you. It's still in its early stages. You can go to producthunt.com and leave your feedback there. And here are the things that I think would really make this plugin shine. The first thing is to define a preset after adding custom CSS for each widget. So once you add the custom CSS inside each widget and customize it the way you want, it would be really nice to save it as a preset. So next time you can simply go to Content tab and select your button which was designed with your custom CSS. So it's really handy. It would also be really awesome if we have a preset for JavaScript. So if they have a field for JavaScript, maybe something like copy to clipboard button preset would be really awesome. That would essentially make Elementor button a copy to clipboard button. Since we have access to CSS IDs and classes, you can work with JavaScript if you have basic idea of JavaScript. So having JavaScript based and CSS based presets would be really awesome. I also would like to see presets for global styling such as headings. So I should be able to select default font families, font sizes and all that stuff for my headings and body text. It would be really awesome also for my color scheme. So that would make Elementor less dependent on the WordPress theme that it's currently using. Let's see where it goes. I'll leave a link to this plugin. I'll also leave a link to the Product Hunt. Make sure you upvote it. It's a really cool idea, and I think presets is the next big thing in Elementor. So people really want that extra bit of customization, and I think this plugin is heading in that direction. And there are presets for almost all the widgets. So even for your form widget, let me just drag in the form widget here and let me go to presets. It's loading the presets. And another cool thing is the cloud based presets. So all your presets would be saved in cloud and they'll be accessible across all your websites if you have your Artbees account. So that's really neat. So you can have a form just like that. Just with the click of a button, you can have a form that looks really neat without fiddling much with the style tab or the advanced tab. It's really neat. Let's see where it goes. And this is WunderWp from Artbees. That's it for now. This is a quick video to show you all the cool things happening in Elementor community. What do you think of this presets plugin? Do you think it's really necessary, or do you think it's not really necessary? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll talk to you real soon. Peace.